Alright, good morning class. My name is Ms. Rodriguez and our lesson plan is called Rounding by Estimation. Today we're going to learn about rounding, which we either increase a number by 1 or decrease it to 0. And then once we do those things to those two numbers and we add them together, that's called an estimation. Alright, so we're going to look at the rounding coaster. We have to find the number, look to the right. So if we have 4, we look to its right, which is 6. And if it's 6, it's on the right side of the coaster. So it's 5 or higher, add 1 more. So since it's 6, we'd make it 50. Okay, so we'd raise it up to 50, 46 to 50. And if it's 4 or less, you let it rest. So for 43, it's on the left side of the coaster, you would take 43 and decrease it to 40. All right, I'm going to pass everybody out one of these round and add practice sheets. Okay, the first 3 ones we're going to do together, and then the other 6 you're going to do all by yourself. Okay, so let's all pass this out. Alrighty, everybody has their paper. You see the first number is 72 plus 73. Okay, so we're going to bring this down like that. So 72, which side of the rounding coaster is the 2 on? Is it on the left side or the right side? Stephanie, yes, it's on the left side. So what do we do if it's on the left side? If it's 4 or less, let it rest. Yes, so this would turn into 70. Very good. All right, so the 3. Is the 3 on the left side or the right side? Tiffany, yes, it's on the left side. So what do we do, Ethan? We let it rest. So this would equal 70. So what's 70 plus 70? Take a second and think about that. Adam, what did you get? 140. Very good. So this is the rounding part, and then this is your estimation. Does everybody get it? Do you have any questions? Crystal, yes. That's a very good question. Crystal Crystal's not understanding why we changed the 2 into a 0. We're trying to round. So when you round something that's 5 or below, you take it away and make this number 70. We'll go in the next one and we'll have a better example of, so we'll be rounding up, okay? All right, the next one is 29 plus 94. All right, the 9. Is the 9 on the right side of the rounding coaster or on the left side? Steven, where does the 9 fall? On the right side, very good. So what would the 29 change into if the 9 is on the right side of the coaster? Alex, 30, very good. Does everybody get why it went up? Right, because the 9 is on the right side of the coaster. 5 or more, we add 1 more. 4 or less, we let it rest. Okay, so 94, the 4. What do we change this number into? Crystal, 90. Very good. So we have our rounded numbers. Now what is 30 plus 90? Everybody take a second and add that together. Did everybody get it? Stephen, what did you get? 120. Very good. All right, last one that we'll go over together, and then you guys will have to work on it by yourselves, okay? Let me get my, should be okay. So it's gonna be a little bit smaller, okay? So bear with me. 19 plus 86. All right, so we have 19, okay? The 9, what side is the 9 on the roller coaster, on the rounding coaster? Stephen? It's on the right side. So what do we do if it's on the right side? Add one more. Yes, so that makes it 20. Okay, 20. How about 86? We look at the 6. 6 is on the Caleb right side. So what do we do, Caleb? Add one more. Very good. So we make that 90. Now we take 20 and add 90, and what do we get? What do we get? Alex, 110. 110 is our estimation of 19 and 86 added together. Very good job, everybody. I'm going to give you a little time, and I'm going to walk around the room, and you guys are going to practice the other 4 examples by yourself. And if you have questions, please raise your hand and stop me, and I will help you through it. And just remember, 5 or more, add one more. 4 or less, let it rest. Let's have fun.